Švica. Ja, tukaj se začne Harlem. Tudi v slovenščini imamo prevod znamenite popevke španski Harlem. In to je to. Svoj čas zelo zloglasen predel z visoko brezposelnostjo. Danes pa zgornji del Manhattna, tako imenovani Uptown, ki vse bolj prihaja na kulinarične zemljevid. Upam, da ste lačni.
Welcome to the oldest restaurant in Harlem. This restaurant began with Miss Sylvia coming from South Carolina, and this restaurant is 54 years old. So today we're going to eat our way through Harlem. History, culture, and the flavors of the neighborhood. Starting off here with chicken and waffles.
Ja, španski Harlem. Ampak dolgo časa je ta predel bil afroameriški. Namreč vse od prejšnjega stoletja se je sem preseljevalo črnsko prebivalstvo z juga. In Harlem je bil prvo središče črnske renesanse. Tu se je ustvarjala literatura v 20–30 letih. Tu se je ustvarjala glasba, jazz, swing. Barack Obama je tudi zahajal sem, še kot študent na bližnji Kolumbiji. Tudi Bill Clinton je kasneje imel prav tu svojo pisarno.
Soul food was started. The word soul food became powerful after Jesse Owens in the 1968 Olympic Games. He won the race, and as a quiet protest, he raised his fist. And that was his way of doing that protest. And so after that point, blacks in America began to use the word soul to represent the kind of foods that they ate. Soul power to give them, it's an empowering statement to another person of color. A friend of mine allows us to see the inside of his home. The brownstones were built in the late 1800s, and the community was not always a black community. In 1921, Harlem was the second largest population where Jews lived in the world. Eastern Europeans came by the boatloads, so there was Italians, there were Irish.
Danes povsod po svetu poznajo televizijske oddaje, kjer izbirajo talente. Prvo tak koncept so poznali tukaj v Harlemu, v znamenitem gledališču Apollo, kjer so nastopali tudi Quincy Jones, Michael Jackson, Aretha Franklin in druga priznana imena. No in tu je bilo lahko zelo neprijetno, če občinstvu nisi bil všeč.
You got carrots?
Yeah, cabbage, a bit of cabbage. Yeah.
And cassava.
Tu pa danes senegalska kuhinja. Dober tek.
Let's get into it.